Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Alright, today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am cooking tortillas and eggs. So in the pan, I have about a tablespoon, maybe a little more than a tablespoon of oil. I use peanut oil today because that's what I had on hand. And you just want to do this until the tortillas are crisp. So I had my skillet on medium and it was smoking, so I turned it to low to kind of cool the heat, lower the heat there. So this is really easy. I got this from Nigella, I cannot think of her last name, but I'm going to link her channel here. I used to watch her on Food Network. I think it's Lawson, but she made this on one of her episodes. And ever since then, and that was like back in the mid-2000s, like 2006 or so. Alright, so you see how they are browning. Alright, so that's about as brown as I want these. So I'm going to move these to a plate. Now I'm going to add some onion. Now you could also put pepper in this, but I didn't have peppers today. I ate up all my peppers. No new peppers in the garden yet, although I have some buds. But we can just do onion today. And then I'm going to serve this with a side of tomato and avocado. By the way, the song playing in background today is by a friend of mine. His name is Morris Paul, and his album is called Love in the Moments. And this is one of my favorite songs he sings, Mighty Love. And I'm listening on Amazon, their music program, which you can get a free 30-day trial. I think I don't know how much it costs per month though. I'm gonna have to double check that since, you know, I did sign up for it. So it's a trial that I'm doing, 30 days free. Alright, so when your onions get to the doneness you want, you can go ahead and add the eggs. So I got 2 eggs with a little milk and a little seasoning salt. Alright, so you want to cook them just for a moment, but you don't want them to get too solid before you add back the tortillas. Oh, sorry, I tapped you there. Alright, so the next song is Every Time I Hear This Song. Alright, you see this cooks up relatively quickly. It's been just about 5 minutes, a little under 5 minutes. and it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit here. I want to move it off the element there. All right.
As much as this double OG can give to you, our love is together this week. You promise to be true. I adore you, sweet young queen. Don't break my heart. I love you, yes I do. Now till we part. Every time I hear this song,
so here is my completed meal. As you can see, I rounded off the eggs with some tomato slices and avocado slices. This is a vegetarian meal. Although today I used flour tortillas, if you use corn tortillas, it will be vegan. And I've done corn before, and it's just as delicious, if not even more, because it seems like the corn tortillas get a little crisper. So I want to give a big thank you and shout out to Morris Paul and for his album Love in the Moments. Make sure you go and get his album. I will put the links below where you can get those. I know I got mine through Amazon, and I'll leave that link there, and also give you his link to his music page as well. So thank you very much for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. I'll see you next time.